Arduino is an open-source hardware and software company, project and user community that designs and manufactures single-board microcontrollers and microcontroller kits for building digital devices.
Today we are going to make sound sensing light. This is the new component we are going to use today. It's a sound sensor. The sound sensor, as the name says, detects sound. It gives a measurement of how loud the sound. Sound sensors can be used for a variety of things. This module allows you to detect when sound has exceeded a set point you selected. Sound is detected via a microphone and fed into an amp. Now we are going to make the circuit. You can find the circuit diagram from the website mentioned in the description. I plug the sound sensor into the breadboard. Then I give the negative and positive supply to the bread through jumper wires. Next I'm connecting negative and positive supply to the sound sensor. Then I connect the signal connection. Next I need to connect the LED with 220 ohm resistor to the breadboard. Resistor with the digital pin 5 and other side I connected to the positive terminal of light emitting diode. Then I give the negative supply to the light emitting diode. Now circuit building is over. Next we have to upload the codes to the Ardino Uno board. Then connect the USB cable to the Ardino board and the computer and upload the cords. Then make a sound and check. Does the light emitting diode blink or not? If it turns on, or off, continually, you can adjust the screw on the sound sensor and check that the light emitting diode should be off. When there is no sound, enjoy the project. Feel free to ask any questions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video.